Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Revoicer text-to-speech AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Revoicer online text-to-speech AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address revoicer.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of the Revoicer, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login to Revoicer button available for us. Simply click on that login to the Revoicer button, and then you'll be directed to the login page over here, guys. And over here you can see this is the login panel of the Revoicer, where you'll be required to enter email address with which you have signed up for an account on the Revoicer, and after that enter your password, guys. But guys, if you have forgotten a password, you can always retrieve it from the forgot password button. Simply click on this forgot password button to go through a procedure to reset or retrieve your email addresses or your Revoicer account's password. And with that being said, guys, to enter your email address and your password, simply click on the login button and you'll be signed into your Revoicer AI account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Revoicer AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.